How to assemble your TYTUS Island Grill. Step 1. Unboxing. Open the first box, removing your grill and all packaging materials. Open the grill lid and remove the cooking components as well. Set them nearby. Step 2. Main cart prep. Undo all 4 latches, 2 on each side of the grill. Using the handholds, lift the burner box off the main cart and set aside. Next, rotate the main cart 180 degrees to prepare for assembly. Step 3. Main cart assembly. Lift up the front panel, followed by the side panels, and press down the locking handles. Lift the back panel and lock it to the side panels. Finally, insert the upper rear panel at a 45-degree angle, then rotate and press into place. Lift the burner box onto the cart and relock all 4 latches. Step 4. Main cart components. Attach the collapsible trash bin to the left main cart door. Then attach the grease cup holder through the holes in the grease tray and place the grease cup. Next, use the wing nuts to secure the T-gas hose assembly to the main cart side panel. Step 5. Cooking components. Locate the cooking components and place them in the grill. Start by aligning the notches at the end of each flame tamer with the slots at the back of the grill box. Then place the grill grates over top. Finally, add the warming rack. Step 6. Side cart assembly. At this point, you can open the second box and remove the side cart components. Lift and open the first side cart by pulling the locking pin on the side of the cart and expanding until the pin locks into place. Attach the side panel by aligning it to the bottom of the cart at 45 degrees. Rotate forward and press into place. Then place the appropriate top cap onto the cart and lock the 2 spring pins. The side burner goes on the right side cart and the ice bin on the left side cart. Repeat this entire process for the second side cart. Step 7. Final assembly. With a partner keeping the grill stabilized, push the side cart into the grill until it snaps in place. Then repeat with the other side cart. Finally, feed the quick connect hose from the side burner into the main cart and attach to the T-gas hose assembly. You now have your fully assembled TYTUS Island Grill. TYTUS. Transform your outdoors.